Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRubalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about coyote versus cat. And before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it's uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now, coyotes are often seen to actually hunt down cats. So, in a fight between a coyote and a head-on fight between a coyote, most likely the coyote is going to win because coyotes doesn't only attack by themselves; they bring in numbers. At least few of them are there. They attack in groups. So there are like around 2 to 3 coyotes at a time when they're attacking. If they find a stray cat that on the street, then they are definitely going to attack that and they are going to catch it because the coyotes are also fast and they are also like predators, so they know how to hunt. Unlike the dogs also can kill the cats, but they are not actually always focused on the hunting. They are more like about chasing and running and then killing. But the coyotes, on the other hand, are much more aggressive and they are mainly focused on killing, eating, and hunting. So they are like predators, and so that's why if they are actually after a cat, it's really difficult for a cat to escape them. Some cats, however, are lucky and they are able to escape it, and because they are small, they are able to escape from that place and run away. Also, the cats knows the environment much better than the coyotes, so for that thing, that can play on their positive side, save the cat's life. But in most cases, if a coyote does a sudden attack and if the cat is not aware, then the chances are very less for a cat to actually hide and run. Now, the thing is that if the cat is moving around in a place where there is not much of a place to hide, there is a game over for the cat. There is no way the cat can do anything about that because the cat's nails and the bites are not really effective against coyotes. Coyotes are really aggressive and they will hunt down the cat. So only place that where a cat might have some chance to actually hide and run away from the coyote is a place where there are a lot of places to hide. Around those kind of places are like near a house or near a, not even a bush or near a big tree. If they are near those kind of places, cats are known for good climbers, so they can definitely climb up a tree much faster than coyotes can. And most likely coyotes cannot even climb the tree, so they can only jump to a certain extent. So if a cat is aware that a coyote is attacking, then they have enough speed to actually run away before the coyote reach them and then can climb up a tree or get inside a house. If that happens, then it can be difficult for the coyote to catch the cat. Now, like I mentioned before, that coyotes are predators, so they know how to be absolutely silent and they can maintain that and approach the cat very carefully. So the cat even may not be aware that there are coyotes nearby, and then out of a sudden they will attack it. And when they does so, the coyote will be completely unprepared and they will catch it out of a sudden attack. And once they catch it, it's really difficult for the cat from escape, unless there is some interference from other, from a person or from a dog or from something. Then it's really difficult for the cat to escape that kind of situation. Now, coyotes are often seen to do this thing. They come into human territory and then hunt down cats and even dogs, and the smaller dogs, and that's create a lot of problem. For example, you might have a pet dog in your house, and for some reason, if it goes out of the house for some reason, and during that time, if there are a lot of coyotes in that area, then they will definitely going to attack the cat. And not only that, coyotes are also known to hunt smaller animals and also can take away babies, human babies, because they are opportunistic creatures. So whatever they find easy, they will catch. And if the babies are, let's say, playing outside or doing something, and they are not aware, they can actually capture them. So if there are coyote near your area, don't forget to call the pest control service or any authority to actually deal with these coyotes because they can be really aggressive. Going there by yourself is not even a choice because they attack in numbers, and if you go there unarmed or unprotected, they can attack, and even if they may not be able to kill you, they can actually do serious harm. So don't go near coyotes if they're attacking. Instead, call the authority, and unless your pet animal or something is there that's being attacked, don't go near them. Just call the authority and let them deal with it because it's not something you should deal with. They are wild animals, and then only the trained personnel should be actually be dealing with these kind of situations. The coyotes are a big mess because there are many places where these coyotes actually infest and they do a lot of harm. So make sure to keep your pets protected. There's another thing that you can do from your side. If there are a lot of coyotes, make sure to close all the doors and windows during the night because that's the time they attack the most, because other times people are outside and people are roaming around, so they are aware that if they go during that time, it will be very difficult for them to hunt. So they don't want to hunt during those kind of time. So that's why they usually hunt around the night. And during the night, because if your cat or any other pet is going out of the house, then it can bothersome and troublesome for them. So make sure to keep your pets protected and keep them in the house if there are a lot of coyotes over in their places, in your places, and that will protect them from getting close to the coyote and also protect them from getting killed by the coyote. But for the cat, in the fight is that the cat versus the coyote. In most cases, the cat is going to get killed by the coyote because, of course, the cat is much weaker. Of course, no, I am not talking about the bigger cats. Bigger cats are much more powerful. I'm talking about the stray cats or your pet cat that you keep in your house. They can get killed by the coyotes, and so that's why there are small chances that the cat might be able to escape. Like I mentioned before, they might be able to climb a tree or hide in a nearby house. But the chances are slim because, as I mentioned before, they are predators and they know how to hunt. So they will be very careful when they are approaching the cat, and then a sudden attack will grab them off by surprise. And once the cat is grabbed, there is no way the cat is going to escape from that place and will be killed and will taken away by the coyote. You won't be able to even find the trace what happened to the cat. So make sure if you have a cat in your house, keep them protected, keep them safe, and keep them inside the house during the night. So that's it for this video. I hope you find your answer from this video. And if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment, and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Thank you.